Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here I'm going to show you how Gamma 3.0 is completely changing the way we create presentations using AI. So if you want slide decks that look clean, modern, and professional, Gamma 3.0 is going to blow your mind. Let's just jump right in. So first, you can just start a new presentation. Go to the gamma.app, and once you're in the page, you can just click on create a new here with AI label, and in here you'll see a new AI prompt box. You can choose which one. In here I'm going to just go with a generate, and you can just type something simple, like for example create a modern clean presentation about launching an AI product. Okay, let's just go with that. Here you can just how many cards that you want to create. I'm going to just go with 7 to make it quick. And the design mode, I'm going to go with classic here, default, and now make sure that it's on the presentations option in here and click on generate outline. So Gamma will instantly build a full slide outline, clean layout, and also strong headlines, and also the relevant visuals. So the best part, the design is consistent across all slides, no dragging boxes or fixing spacing. Okay, so this is how it will look like. Here you can adjust. This is the outline. Here you can change the style, the theme. I'm going to go with blues, for example. And here the image art style, I'm going to go with illustration. Now hit on generate again. And just wait until the result is out. Okay, so here is the presentation about launching an AI product. You'll see the outline in here. So once the presentation or the slide is done, you can rewrite the section. You can customize your slides. You can regenerate if you want a new style, or you can also use the design panel to switch themes with minimal, bold, colorful, or corporate. Okay, here is how it will look like. You guys can see. You can add images, you can do smart layout, diagram, charts, or graphs. And if you want to change something, you can just double click it, and you can also change or remove the things that you don't like here. On each style, there is this card styling. You can adjust the alignment, the backdrop, and everything here. And if you already satisfied with the result, you can click on the share in here. You can share it through email. You can export the slides or view the analytics here. So that's how you can create a presentation slides with Gamma 2.3.0. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, also click on the thing. So I'll see you on the next tutorial.